Of course, we're the Grill Masters. Welcome to the grand launch of our restaurant tomorrow, Thursday morning.
Of course, we're the Grill Masters. We're located at Kinoo Waiyaki Way.
Of course, we're the Grill Masters. We do food and drinks delivery.
Of course, we're the Grill Masters. We bring class to cuisine.
Of course, we're the Grill Masters. Flavors for royalty.
Of course, we're the Masters. Welcome all.
Welcome foodies. Today our hearts are off for the tantalizing romance and the culinary magic that defines our city, Nairobi. Leo tuko huku kwa the Grill Masters, a newly minted gem located along Waiyaki Way in Kinoo. And guess what? We are not just here for the mouth-watering food. We are diving deep into the tech that is revolutionizing the restaurant and hotel industry in Kenya. Call it JiPOS. The Grill Masters Lounge is our latest place where flavor meets innovation. Talk about the ambience. As you step in, the warm glow of its modern setup welcomes you. The decorated wooden tables makes it clear to you you are in for some good treat. Let's talk about the choice of paints, atmosphere, and its strategic location on another day. The food, from mouth-watering steaks to tasty Swahili flavored dishes, the Grill Masters know how to treat you right. Visit here for their signature dishes and have something to tell others. The parking, yes, parking matters, and the Grill Masters have it ample. The people, friendly faces greet you here, from the servers to the chef. It's like coming home to a family feast. So whenever you come here, you will rejoice. The restaurant owner's secret weapon, you may ask, of course, is JiPOS. JiPOS isn't just any other POS system. No, it is an ERP. Yes, you heard that right. Tailored for restaurants and hotels. Let me break it down for you in 5 simple points. Number 1, smart controls. JiPOS puts the reins in your hands. Inventory management? Check. Sales tracking? Double check. It's like having a digital sauce chef who never burns the sauce. You know how that works, right? Point number 2, visibility. Imagine peeking into every corner of your restaurant, from the kitchen to the storeroom, no matter where you are, anytime, because the system is web-based. JiPOS gives you that superpower. You will know when the sweet potato fries are running low before your customers do. Point number 3, streamlined purchases. No more scribbling on paper. JiPOS handles your purchases seamlessly. LPO, supplier balances, and even external stock requisitions all in one place. Point number 4, effortless inventory. Cereals, barcodes, and inventory and real-time balances. JiPOS keeps your inventory in check. Plus, it alerts you when it's time to reorder those flamingo tango ribs. Yes. Point number 5, sales mastery. Tight controls, clear invoices, and M-Pesa integration. JiPOS ensures your revenue stays where it belongs, in your pocket. Our verdict today: the Grill Masters plus JiPOS is equivalent to a culinary masterpiece. Whether you are a seasoned restaurateur or a newbie, JiPOS is your secret weapon. So next time you're in Nairobi, swing by Grill Masters, savor the flavors as they call it, and raise a toast to innovation. Raise a toast to JiPOS. Thank you for watching the video. Feel most welcome And please subscribe and give us a thumbs up for letting me know of this place. Once again, welcome to JiPOS, your number one hotel ERP.